Tie the reflective paracord to the fire starter and attach it to the mount unit. Secure the fire starter with the integrated click lock. Choose your preferred knife and mount the survival kit to the polymer sheet. The survival kit is not intended to be detached once it's in place. Twist to release the fire starter. Use the spine of the knife at a 45-degree angle to scrape off the covering coating on the fire steel before lighting a fire. The integrated diamond sharpener will keep your knife sharp. Use the belt loop to attach it to your belt or attach it to the Morakniv multi-mount kit.